So within Aston Martin Red Bull Racing, we've created a digital backbone that connects engineering, manufacturing, and racing activities. And it's really key that all these hang together across the life cycle to allow engineers to make decisions quickly and to allow us to evolve and improve our car over time. So to create this digital backbone, we've worked with leading software providers, our internal developers, and also infrastructure providers to create an ecosystem that works and that we can continuously improve. The business is always pushing us to provide more capability as we make more use of simulations and analytics and as our models get bigger and bigger. But we also have significant cost constraints and resource constraints. So the way we manage this is we have to put the right infrastructure foundations in place, and we work with HPE and other partners to do that. And we essentially create private clouds that give us the performance and capacity we require, but also the platforms are extensible and we can add on and change them over time in a cost-effective manner. HPE provides us with private clouds or platforms that form the basis of private clouds that allow us to have the right resources for the right workloads, allowing things to perform with high performance, high reliability, and also giving us the agility to react to changes to the business.